I told you today is Friday. Let us name this Friday as the iCharge Day. iCharge Day is Friday from today. Okay. So let me speak to you about iCharge. As I've previously told you, I'll start a new topic every day, which each and every product with a new topic relevant to the situation or the scenario today. And when I start speaking about the product, please start raising your questions. Please shoot me your questions as soon as I start talking about the product. Once I stop talking about the product by 5 to 6 minutes, my colleagues will give me the questions, collected questions, so that I will be able to answer them. And don't worry about the questions which are not answered. The next Friday, we are definitely going to take back the other questions that you have on this particular product iCharge. I hope you got my point, everyone. So let me start this iCharge Day or Friday with some of the new concepts of iCharge. Let me all boost your energy, boost your natural energy without caffeine and sugar with our wonderful product called as iCharge. Well, my dear friends, as everybody knows, iCharge is an energy drink which is non-caffeinated and it does not contain any sugar constituents in it. Well, the first and the foremost thing that everyone has to know about iCharge is it is a natural product which is a good rejuvenator for improving your strength, stamina and reducing your stress. These are the three main attributes of iCharge. Well, friends, this is all the COVID season. So the COVID-19 lockdown that everybody has undergone now includes a lot of stress. Everybody would have undergone the process of stress right now. So, how to combat this stress during the COVID season or post-COVID lockdown? This is what each and every human being has to think about. And the most important answer for all these things, the solution for all these things is a natural energy drink. See, unlike other companies, we don't want to make you caffeine dependent by drinking some caffeinated products, which is more dangerous than what coronavirus is actually. We just want to make all of you drink a natural product which is caffeine free and sugar free so that you get natural energy and automatically you can combat stress and have that retention of energy throughout the day so that you are pumped up throughout the day. This is what we exactly want. Well, today's situation, if I have to talk about, many companies across the world, they are actually thinking about formulating new energy drinks with lots of the quantities of caffeine content is too high in them actually. This is what the companies are thinking about post-COVID situation. I would like to tell you, my friends, it is always important to consume non-caffeinated drinks and not caffeinated drinks. And one more important thing I want to tell you here, people always have this doubt of the concept fizz, F-I-Z-Z, fizz. See, fizz is a concept where we try to carbonate the products actually. So carbonation of the product is nothing but adding carbon dioxide to the products. I'll tell you, my dear friends, most of the energy drinks or most of the the soft drinks that is available in the world, they are actually containing sulfur along with the carbon dioxide. This is very, very dangerous to the body actually. Whenever you just consume carbon dioxide, for that matter, it is not so dangerous because the carbon dioxide comes out of your body, goes out of your body when you expire the air. But sulfur remains inside your body, it goes to your bloodstream and it can cause various other diseases in the body. But we don't do such things here. We are formulated a product which is a very good energy drink without caffeine as well as without sulfur in the fizz concept, so that nobody is affected with any kind of a disease. I hope you got my point clear. Apart from this, my dear friends, one more thing I want to tell you. There is an article which has appeared in one of the journals called as Distinct Analysis and Reports. They say that the sports and energy drink market will boom after the post-COVID situation. Because as you see, most of the sports people are also idle these days. They are not able to go out and perform. Because these people have to be athletic most of the times. Not only the sports people, even each and everybody. They have to be more athletic and proactive every day. Because of this situation, stressful situation, they have lost all their energy levels these days. In order to get back those energy levels, the energy drink market is really going to be a boom in the post-COVID days. I hope you got my point clear. We have a very good responsibility as well as advantage in order to promote iCharge so that everybody gets this product and gets the energy rejuvenated again. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, I want to tell you a concept called as immune and stress cycle. I want to reiterate this again. It is called as immunity and stress cycle, because immunity and stress are related to each other. This is very important actually. Immunity and stress are related to each other. Why I am telling you this is because not because of the COVID, even the other seasons also, if you look into other situations also, each and every human body is exposed to stress day in and day out, because of which our body is taking a beating. Your immune system is taking a beating inside the body actually. Whenever the immune system is struggling inside, normally immune boosters are required. Why I am telling you this is, I am just repeating this point day in and day out whenever I am speaking on this particular FB Live. Each and every product of Indus Viva, if you see, they are immune boosting products. Even iCharge for that matter is a very good immune boosting product. This is a very important thing. That is the reason why whenever the immune system is getting a beating, automatically what happens is you require external dietary immune boosters to go inside the body. You have to take something from outside to boost your immunity from inside. These are called as dietary immune boosters. Again, I am telling you this. Whenever your immune system gets a beating inside the body, you have to consume something from outside which boosts your immunity. This is exactly called as dietary immune boosters, and our iCharge is also a dietary immune booster. I hope you got my point clear. So, not only this, iCharge actually helps in reducing your stress, your anxiety. It is also good for your eye problems as well. So, my dear friends, what exactly happens is, whenever the stress, I would like to emphasize this concept of stress in the future coming FB Lives. Whenever the stress affects your brain, a person can have anxiety and depression. Whenever the stress affects your heart, there will be rise in the blood pressure and there will be chances of heart attacks as well. Whenever the stress affects your lungs, the person will have difficulty in breathing and asthma can occur. Whenever the stress affects your stomach, the people will have stomach disturbances, the gastric disturbances, vomiting, loose motions. All these things happen because of stomach stress. Similarly, when the stress affects your bones and joints, you will severely have muscle pains, joint pains, all such things will happen. So, whichever organ in the body the stress is affecting, you will have a disease which is occurring in this particular organ. So, my dear friends, whenever you consume a product like iCharge, it is a holistic product. It is a holistic product which acts from the head till the toe. It is not targeted on one organ or the system. This is very important. So, it rejuvenates the cells of your body so that it rejuvenates your whole body. This is exactly the work of iCharge. I hope my point is clear to you people. Well, my dear friends, as I previously told you, again I want to emphasize that point. Kanna is removed in iCharge. Most of you know this because of various issues like the custom issues as well as some of the toxicology issues that we have, as well as the availability of the material. And the other important reason is Ayush Premium certification will not be given if Kanna is added to the product. Instead of that, we have a very good combination of Ashwagandhadhyarishta, Balarishta and Drakshasava, which totally contains 80 herbs, 80. Totally it contains 80 herbs. This is what exactly is the composition of iCharge is. Well, my dear friends, apart from that, as I previously told you, iCharge is a very good product for reducing your stress, improving your alertness and cognition. This is very important. In today's lifestyle, what has happened is, people have sat in their houses for a long time. They are not triggered, they are not stimulated. The lethargy and the laziness have increased in them, because of which they have to counteract all these things. They have to come back to the routine and regular life. They have to consume iCharge. This is the way that you have to promote iCharge to the people. I hope my point is clear to you. Apart from this, iCharge is a product which provides you instant energy and it also provides you endurance. Endurance is nothing but retention of energy. Retention of energy in the sense, if you consume a can of iCharge, the energy retains in your body for a period of 7 to 8 hours. This is exactly called as energy retention. Apart from this, it rejuvenates all the cells of your body, and it contains lutein in it. Lutein is nothing but an eye vitamin. So it is actually a carotenoid which is derived from the marigold flowers. We have added lutein in this product, which actually causes improvement in the eyesight. So finally, it is also a very good product for improving your memory and concentration. This is also important. See, these are all the things which is required for a human being in day-to-day life. This is a very, very important thing. And my dear friends, I would also like to tell you that in very near future, you are going to see my product videos which are having all the new branding, and the products with all the new brandings will come out so that everyone can have a look at it actually and get benefited out of it. So my dear friends, so this is what the new concept I wanted to tell you in iCharge today. Further, in the next editions of iCharge, I will be talking about the other new updates which we are getting on iCharge. And I want to tell you one more thing which I have previously told as well. The company is actually taking a lot of effort in bringing out the scientific validation. Scientific validation in the sense the clinical trials on the products are done usually. And the data will be coming out of clinical trials. I will be putting out those data on the Facebook Live most of the time whenever I am speaking about that particular product, so that each and every one of you is benefited out of it, and it actually becomes a very good promotional tool for you for promoting the products or selling the products in the market. So this will happen in the further weeks to come. So my dear friends, again, thank you very much for your patient listening. So I would like to end my session on this particular topic of iCharge today. So shortly, my colleague Ms. Priyanka is actually working on the questions. So she'll be sending me the questions in 1 or 2 minutes. Please hold on till then so that I'll be able to answer your questions. Thank you very much for your patient listening. So in just 1 or 2 minutes, I'll be just answering your questions. My colleagues are collecting it for me. Once I get the questions, I'll be able to answer your questions. And none of your questions, my dear friends, I would like to tell you that none of your questions will go in vain. So don't worry about it. I'll definitely be able to answer those questions in future weeks. As this continuous Facebook Live series is organized as an educational tool by the prestigious company Indus Viva, so that each and every distributor of ours is benefited by this. This is a very important thing that everyone has to know about this. So my dear friends, just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. I'll be able to answer the questions. And everyone, see, as everybody is stressed out these days, it is always very important for you people to take calm, come out on the streets whenever the lockdown is opened in your areas, go back to your work, back on your feet. Because ultimately, I have told you something about herd immunity before. Herd immunity is a concept where you exactly develop resistance to a particular disease, which normally happens by its own. So this is what exactly happens when a pandemic outbreak happens. You should never fear a pandemic and sit back in your houses. You should always venture out whenever the lockdown opens and whenever the law enforcement agencies tell you to go out and venture out. Always do that, because whenever you develop a resistance inside the body, you will lose that fear and automatically you will be able to come back to normal life and work again. This is what exactly the concept is. I hope you got my point, my dear friends. Please do that. So my dear friends, I'll be just taking your questions now. So I'm getting a question here. One of the questions from Ms. Josna Madhu, iCharge is recommended from which age? Sir, can babies and pregnant ladies consume this? Well, definitely yes. I would like to tell you that iCharge is a wonderful holistic product which can be given to pregnant women as well as children above 6 years of age. Please don't give this to children below 6 years of age. please give it to children above 6 years of age. This is very important. So, and for pregnant women, it is always better to give it before 6 months, so only till 6 months of pregnancy. So, I am just repeating it again, till 6 months of pregnancy. It is better not to give it after 6 months of pregnancy. And during the childbearing ages, especially during the breastfeeding time, it is always better to stop it during the first month of pregnancy. From the second month of pregnancy, it is always better to give it. I hope I answered your question. So the next important thing a person is asking here is, iCharge contains sugar and starch 5.92 grams, 9 to 5 grams printed on iCharge skin. But in our plan book, printed iCharge contains no sugar. See, I am telling you again, what exactly happens here is, the carbohydrates and the starch normally comes from the herbal materials. Herbal materials. So this is what exactly happens. The carbohydrates and the starch normally comes from the herbal materials, and this is contributing to the sugar what we declare on the label. This is not the table sugar that we are eating actually. This is not the table sugar that we are eating. This is actually the carbohydrates or the sugar which is coming out of the herbal raw materials. That is the exact reason why the sugar is actually quoted on the can. I hope you got my point clear. It is not the edible sugar. Please don't mistake with that. So the next question what I am seeing here is, can this be consumed if anybody is suffering from GERD and IBS? See, what I am trying to tell you here is, it is a very good liver protecting product as well. What exactly happens with iCharge is, it detoxifies your liver also. This is a very important thing. It detoxifies your liver also. So that is the reason why even in case of gastric disturbances and IBS like conditions, it is very good to consume iCharge, because by the fizz effect, the carbon dioxide actually takes out the toxins out, and the liver is also detoxified, by which automatically you will have all kinds of results with this. Okay. The next important thing is iCharge acidic or alkaline? So this is what the question is all about. Is iCharge acidic or alkaline? See, I would like to tell you, my dear friends, all our products for that matter, we have maintained the acidity of the products. I would like to tell you this again. We have not maintained the alkalinity of the product, but we have maintained the acidity of the product. It is acidic only, it is not alkaline. So, dose of iCharge containing kanna, as I have previously told you, kanna is actually removed from the product, as I have given you the reasons as well before. So, one of the other questions what I am seeing here is whether it is used in sleeplessness. See, even in our clinical trials, we have proved that iCharge is a very good product for inducing sleep. Please don't consider this as a sleeping tablet or anything. This is only a relaxant. It reduces your stress and relaxes your brain so that your sleep comes out very well. This is what exactly iCharge does. The next question what is there here is, iCharge will reach you new formula soon. So it is really going to happen. We are working on some of the new variants. We will definitely update you once we are done with it. So the next question is, if sulfur is adding along with carbon dioxide for fish, so the same thing, I have answered it before actually. Most of the companies are adding sulfur along with carbon dioxide for the other carbonated drinks, but we don't do that because sulfur is a very dangerous substance to the human body and we never do that actually. The next question is from Ms. Vaishali Gupta, can feeding mothers consume it? Definitely yes. The breastfeeding or the lactating woman can consume iCharge, but it is better to be avoided during the first month of pregnancy, first month of childbirth. After the second month, they can start using iCharge. I hope my point is clear. So the next question here is, can iCharge be consumed by stomach problems? As I previously told you, it is a very good liver detoxification product. Definitely it can be used. iCharge is recommended from which age? I have already told this. I believe it is from 6 years of age. The children can use this. And the pregnant ladies till 6 months of pregnancy, it can be safely used without any side effects. Well, the next question is, sugar patients can consume. This is from Mr. Sajid Sheikh. Well, my dear friends, I would like to tell you this again. iCharge is zero sugar, zero caffeine. We normally add an element called as sweetener. We add something called as inositol. When you see the label of iCharge, there is something written as inositol. Inositol is actually a 0-calorie sweetener. What exactly happens here is, in order to make the product sweet, we add this particular element. It is a semi-synthetic substance. Okay, so it doesn't cause any kind of side effect in the body, but it adds sweetness to the product. So whenever a person consumes this product, the product will be sweet on the tongue, but it is not sweet to the body. I hope you got this point clear. So my dear friends, I would like to tell you that if I have not answered any questions for today, please don't worry about it. My colleagues have noted it down. I will be able to answer that in the further coming weeks, in the future weeks, especially on the iCharge day, that is the Friday. So please mark your calendars for the iCharge day, which is on the Friday. And I would also like to tell you that, so I will be also speaking about iVed, the American product iVed tonight. Today night, tonight by 10 o'clock Indian Standard Time, which will be morning in the US. It is beneficial for the US customers. Only for them we are doing this Facebook Live for them also. So my dear friends, again I want to thank you for your patient hearing. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training at Indus Viva Health Sciences, signing off from the desk at Viva Tower. Thank you very much. Thanks again.